Alright, next thing we're going to do is install the base here. So I forgot to put slide-ins in the rail here, so I put drop-ins on the base. And then I did have the ability to access these, so I put the slide-ins in here. So let's get this guy up on here. Okay, I'm going to place this about centered. I'm going to wiggle these guys in. There we go. Oh. Okay, same thing over here. That's why we made these holes so big. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to take this and slide it forward. Okay, just enough that I can see the holes and see the rail. And so now I can take these drop-ins or the slide-ins and line them up to each of the holes here. Okay. A little bit like that. There we go. Alright, so now as I bring it down, it's all aligned and I just screwed in. So then I'll do the same thing to the back side. I'll get everything screwed in and I'll see you next video.